Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing a Nadine West haul. So Nadine West is a clothing subscription. You can either get it every 2 weeks or once a month and for a low monthly fee, and that fee gets applied toward anything that you do choose to purchase in your bag. And right now I believe they have a program where you can get for $99. You keep everything in your bag for $99. And I believe it's either you keep everything for $99 or you send everything back. But that's separate from their monthly subscriptions. That's kind of something new that they're trying out, which I think is pretty cool. So where else can you get like a whole bunch of clothes for $99? Nowhere that I know of. All right, let's go ahead and show you what I got in this month's bag. I will be doing a try-on as well. And I cheated. I broke the bundle. I know I shouldn't have, but I broke both of them. They sent me some jeans, and I think my phone is syncing. They sent me some jeans, and now the sizing on Nadine West is not really unlike the sizing in a different clothing subscription that we know about. But they size their jeans, their bottoms, as size 2-4 is one size, size 6-8 as the second size, 10-12, I think you get where I'm going with this. So I had to choose the 2-4. I had to fix my camera light thing. It kept like going down, 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 down. I know it's time to buy a new one. I hate that. But Nadine West is consistently sending me size 2 jeans, and I wear a 4, and it just doesn't work out. And I keep telling them I wear a 4, I wear a 4, I wear a 4, but I keep getting a size 2. And it's because of the sizing, you know, 2-4 and then 6-8, and you know, but there's a big difference between a 2 and a 4. So I did email Nadine West and I said, you know, there's a difference, and yeah, it'd be really nice if this could be fixed. And so I don't know if they're ever going to be able to resolve that issue or what's happening, but I did get a size 2. So let me go ahead and show you anyway. Let me start by saying Nadine West, it's free to send everything back. They give you a prepaid mailing address label here, so everything, let me make sure my address isn't on here. Yeah, it is, but so everything is free to mail back. They also give you this sheet here that says everything that you've got and how much everything cost. And let's see if I can make out how much everything costs. I think I might have some reading glasses somewhere. Oh well. All right. I got this envelope. Let me go ahead and show you what, I already opened this because I was a little bit curious. I am an affiliate with Nadine West, so I wasn't sure what this envelope was about. Like maybe they were saying thank you for your help, but we are no longer going to need you. I didn't know what they were saying, but it didn't say that at all. So I got a little thank you card, and it says thank you for being a Nadine West supporter, and we appreciate you. Super Mom, the Nadine West team. And I've got, you know, they sent a little sticker with that, so that was a nice personal touch. And they also sent this here. It says Nadine West Pink Insider is a valued member of our influencer family. So it's just information on being an influencer, what's new. So the items for $99, it's 7 items for $99. So that's actually really, really good. 7 items for $99. Wow. Okay, let's get started with the clothes. What I'll do is, since I don't have my reading glasses anywhere near me at the moment, I will go ahead and put down on the screen the cost of the item and the name of the item, because they do name their items to make it easier for you to determine what is what. So I'll go ahead and put that on the screen, like I said, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I did already look, they are Express jeans. And I love them very much. They're straight lay. And I will do a try on at the end of this video, but I have to confess, I already tried these on, these particular ones. I didn't try anything else on in the bag yet. I'm gonna do that, you know, and these, and they fit. They do fit, so I was happy with that, but they are pretty tight. They do fit, so I was happy. But Express jeans, always nice to get. And then I also got in my shipment these pants here. And what is the fabric on these? I wonder if I could even read that. I don't think I can. I can't make it out with my eyes like this. It's by the company Love Poem. And they feel like polyester pants, actually. They do feel really like polyester. Let's see, I wish you know what, I think I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna get my reading glasses and then we're going to do this the right way. Okay, I've got my reading glasses on, so let's go ahead and do this. So the Express jeans are called, let me see the tops, bottoms, they are called, I don't know, CIRCE pants, Circe pants, and they are $41.99. So that's a great price for, I believe, Express jeans. Let me go ahead and put Brooklyn down. Okay, now this is where I left off. All right, so what I wanted to see is what fabric this is, because I'm just curious. 12% polyester, 8% spandex, and elastane. So, okay, I'm not reading something right still. I think it says 92% polyester and 8% spandex. I mean, it's very, very small. I do have my reading glasses on, so I should be able to see that, but it's kind of hard to see. But these pants are called the Carmina pants, and they're only $15, so that's a great price. So hopefully they'll fit, and they do have pockets. Very nice, no back pockets, and it looks like to me that they are going to be probably boot cut, maybe. I don't think they're skinny leg, but I'm not sure, but I will try those on. All right, moving on to the next bundle that I already busted open. Oops, I couldn't wait. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. All right, so the first thing in the shirts that I received is by New York Laundry, right here. It's a very pretty pink top with like a little chain here, right here. So this is called the, let's see, Pamela Dolman sleeve top, and it is $19.99. So it's very cute. Can't wait to try this on. All right. Then I've got another top here. This is by the company Love Cameron, Los Angeles. And it's just a little, like, it looks like it could be either off the shoulder, you know, or on the shoulder. I keep everything on the shoulder, but just a little top here, kind of cute. Look forward to trying that on, seeing how long it is, because that's really what, you know, I want to make sure to cover my belly. But this is called a Rosalind texture knit top, and it is also $19.99. So the prices are very, very nice. And then I've got a dress. This is called a Crazia floral dress for $25.99. Take my glasses off. This is really pretty. I actually really, really love the print on this dress. So I do look forward to trying this on. So just go ahead and show you. It's actually, I mean, I really do love the print on this dress. So I hope it fits and looks fine. Then I also received a necklace. And let me show you the necklace here. It is just a chain with, you know, black beads and silver beads. And this is, my glasses back on, a Henlin silver, and it is $11.99. So $12 for the necklace. That's not a bad deal either. It's a very, very good deal, I think. Their prices have seemed to come down an awful lot. They did make some changes. They made some changes to their website. They're making some changes to the, you know, ambassador program, which is an affiliate, which is what I'm considered. And yeah, they're making some really good changes. They're partnering with other brands. I also got this free gift. It says right here, free gift, handpicked just for you. And it looks like it's a little lip gloss. So go ahead and try that on. Hopefully it's a lip gloss. And I'm not just making that up. All right. So we got that. Very nice. And what does it say? Yes, it is a lip gloss, thank goodness. It says the Nicole Miller Super Shine Lip Gloss. So, and yeah, that was really nice by Nicole Miller. All right. So I'm going to go ahead, try everything on, and then, you know, I don't know if I'm going to come back with, well, I'll probably come back with final thoughts, let you know what I'm choosing to keep and what I'm choosing to send back. So I will be right back. Here's the first outfit. So I like it a lot. These are the jeans. I know I'm kind of far away, aren't I? But the jeans fit. They are, like I said, a little tight, but they are high-waisted, which made it a lot easier for me to put on. If they were like right around my hip area, I would not have been able to get these on for sure. But since they, you know, are high-waisted, I was able to get them buttoned and everything else. But the top, I really like it a lot. It's gonna be great for work. And yeah, I like it. So 2 pieces, thumbs up. Next, all right, here's the next 2 pieces. So here, the shirt, I think it's actually supposed to go off the shoulder, but I don't wear things like that. So for me, it would be up like this. And I'm not too sure. I'm a huge fan of the way this cuts here at the waist. And here are the pants, and they fit. They're a good fit, but you know, I'm kind of into the jegging type, the skinny leg sort of thing. So these are kind of a wider bottom. And so I'm not really too sure I'm liking that too much. But yeah, so I love the first outfit. This one, not as much, but let's move on to the dress. All right, here's the dress. So it's pretty shapeless. I love the pattern. I love the length. I think it needs a belt, some sort of a little belt, and I think at that point that this dress would actually look fine. I definitely think it just needs some kind of a little belt. So yeah, I think it can be very, very pretty. So anyway, let me go ahead and tell you my final thoughts on all these pieces, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, I'm back. So first I want to apologize, sorry if this video kind of jumped around a little bit. I had started reading this letter on camera, and then I found out that it was basically just for information for the affiliates. So, you know, then I tried to take that whole part out of the recording, and so if it's a little bit jumpy, I apologize. I didn't mean for it to be like that. So my final thoughts, what I'm keeping, what I'm sending back. Although I am an affiliate with Nadine West, I still do send the clothes back that I don't want to keep. That way they can resell them. It's up to them what they want to do with them. And I'm sure that, well, I would hope that it's helping them, you know, with me returning them. All right. Jeans, the Express jeans I'm keeping. They are a little tight. Oh, I forgot to put on the necklace. I forgot to put on the necklace for you guys. Okay, so anyway, for the jeans I'm keeping, I will be keeping this pretty pink top as well. I think I'm gonna be sending this back because I just don't see, I just don't think it's my style. It's cute. And I think I saw another person on YouTube get this shirt and it looked really cute on them. But me, I don't think not so much. So I think I'm gonna be sending this back. I'll be sending the pants back because I don't like the wide bottoms of the pants. I like kind of a, you know, a tapered leg, a skinny leg pant. And the necklace, I totally forgot to even put it on. My goodness. What is going on with me? I think you can actually double layer this, like if I was to, you know, undo it, and I think you can wear it like, you know, double layered. You guys know what I mean? Oh my goodness. But anyway, here's the necklace, and I will be keeping the necklace as well. So that is my Nadine West for this month. The affiliate program now, some of us have been getting clothes every 2 weeks with Nadine West, some of us monthly, and I believe now all of us are going to monthly, which is good. Nadine West, you know, it's an awful lot of clothes to be giving away to people every 2 weeks. I get it. So I will be doing these videos monthly from now on. And yeah, just if you are interested in Nadine West, I have the link in my description box, and that 7 items for $99. I'm not sure if that's rolled out yet, but you might want to check because that is a good deal. So anyway, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.